Yeah? Are you eating? Can you show us how you eat with your fork? Yeah. Are you serious? Good job. You did good. You're gonna stab it in. Hey, can't see your beautiful face. Oh, almost. There you go. You got it. Yay! Good job. And he's right there.
John, what are you standing on? What? What's he standing on?
He's standing on the musical turtle. Good job, Ryan. I don't know that you can. I'm not. Are you going to eat that cucumber? Are you going to eat that cucumber? Yeah.
I did it, Mom. I jumped. And my seat just went over here.
Yeah.
And I didn't land.
All right.
And this happened
Can you say bye-bye, Ryan?
down on the edge of the tape.
Don't forget.